What we are doing now actually is the high throughput screening platform against SARS-CoV-2 virus. We form a group of research, both from Faculty of Science and Faculty of Medicine, Ramathibodi Hospital. So two teams, work side by side and working in order to find a new drug derived from Thailand that really can against and kill the virus effectively and safe. Okay, that's the images we call since maybe the end of February. So there are two teams. The first one is ECDD itself, because we are the platform for screening or kind of searching for the compounds that really have potentially to kill the virus. And the other one, based on the BSL-3, we initiate the high throughput screening campaign. So ECDD having about 4,000 compounds, right? But actually we pick 120 to 21 extracts from the common Thai herbs. And we found that 6 extracts that's showing the potential kill the virus. And we picked 2 of them. The first one is a ginger extract, and the second is the Gachai cow extract. Okay, the Gachai cow in English we call like a fingerroot. Okay, so once we found the initial finding, we look for more detail to see the efficacy of the against the virus, and we found out that 2 major components actually derived from fingerroot extracts that really are showing the synergistically kill the virus. The first one actually is the pinostrobin, and the second one is the pendiretin A. We learned that these compounds and extract really kill the virus to 100% protect killing. The process of getting the extract right from the fingerroot. So you start from the fresh fingerroot, you shred them up, okay, and then you dry them. So what you have like a dry fingerroot, you dry them to be like a powder, like a tiny powder, and then you use to extract the component out from the fingerroot powder. So we call it that extract now, okay, and that the extract will further formulate as the like a drug. Because of the extract, you can monitoring or standardize the effective dose of the major compounds inside the fingerroot extracts, so the people not to eat too much, okay, not to overload ourselves, so we can eat properly and safely use. So in about 3 months from now, we plan to study in the animals, and the animal that we're going to use for this model is the hamsters. So the hamster will challenge with the virus, the human virus, the SARS-CoV-2, and then we use the extracts, and also the components to see whether it's still effective in the animal study. And also we can learn the availability of the active compounds in the animal body, and we could use this result to adjust as a dose in the healthy volunteer, which is going to conduct maybe around 8 months or 10 months from now. So basically, we can actually forming a great team, not only the scientists, but also many parties that helping to move forward to build a drug from fingerroot. We can help Thailand to be successful and making a new drug from our country. I believe that this could be like something really great about the country that can help the other countries too, not to wait to get the drug from the outside. So this is the kind of thing that we have to change our mindset.